You come across an app that looks promising, with sleek visuals and compelling feature descriptions, but after installation, something feels off. This is the experience some users report with the Rushview app. Rushview presents itself as a utility application, offering a range of features designed to enhance the user's mobile experience. Upon opening the app, users are presented with a modern interface and a list of tools that the app claims to provide. Due to its marketing and visual presentation, it has attracted a significant amount of curiosity from people looking for new mobile tools. When examining how the app functions, several patterns emerged from user experiences. First, upon installation, the app requests access to certain device permissions. Users have noted that some of these permission requests seem more extensive than what might be expected for the features being offered. Second, after navigating past the initial setup, users begin interacting with the advertised features. Some users find that certain tools do not perform exactly as described in the promotional material, leading to a disconnect between expectations and reality. Third, as usage continues, the app's behavior can become inconsistent. Some users report encountering bugs, interface elements that are difficult to navigate, or features that fail to load properly. Feedback on the app is mixed. While some individuals report that the application functions adequately for their needs, a significant number of users describe experiencing technical issues or expressing concerns about the app's permission requests. For users who are particularly attentive to how applications handle data or who expect a polished, intuitive interface, the app may not meet those standards. It occupies a middle ground, not a critical failure, but not a seamless experience either. Potential users may want to review its permissions carefully and consider the mixed feedback before deciding whether to install it.